Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use animated versions of avatars to reply to WhatsApp status. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Tap Updates from bottom menu. Now tap on the status update that you would like to reply to. Tap Reply from bottom of the screen. Normally you can use 8 emojis for regular reactions. Tap avatar beside emoji icon. Here you will see 6 new animated versions of avatars. Select one of them to send reply. Go back to chat and you will see you send animated avatar as WhatsApp status reply. Another way, you can swipe up on status screen and here you will see emojis and avatars for reply. So these are the steps to use animated versions of avatars to reply to WhatsApp status. Make sure you created avatar on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.